Number 4. Russ has a car that averages 9.8 miles per gallon. Mike's car averages 39.2 miles per gallon. How many times more miles per gallon does Mike's car average than Russ's car? Okay. Oh, hang on. Someone's interrupting. Let me pause. Ooh, sorry, I'm back. Okay. So again, Russ has a car that averages 9.8 miles per gallon. Mike's car averages 39.2 miles per gallon. How many times more miles per gallon does Mike's car average than Russ's car? So in this case, Mike's car gets more miles per gallon, and they want to know basically how many times more is Mike's, meaning 9.8 times what will give me Mike's car average, Mike's car's average of 39.2 miles per gallon. That's what they're asking, okay? And you see the word times right here when we think times. Well, we're not going to multiply these rational numbers together. We are going to divide, okay? So, and since I don't know what I would have multiplied, let me show you this real quick too. It'd be saying 9.8 times something gives me 39.2. That's what they're saying, okay? But we don't know how many more times it is, so we have to divide because the opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide 39.2 divided by 9.8. Now, back when we were doing division of decimals, we have to remember that our divisor, our number on the outside, has to become a whole number before I can actually divide. And so I have to move my decimal until it becomes a whole number. But remember, whatever I do to my divisor, I have to do to my dividend. And I moved my decimal one time here, so I'm going to move it one time here. I'm going to bring my decimal point up right there, okay? So now I can do, we're going to rewrite it, 98. We're going to rewrite it, and we did this in our notes way back when, so we don't have any mistakes. So now that we're dividing, can 98 go into 3? No. Can it go into 39? No. Can 98 go into 392? And the answer is yes. So I'm going to round this up to 100. So I'm going to 100. So if I were to say 100 goes into 3, 2, 3, I'm going to say 3 times. Okay. So 3 times 98. I'm going to come over here, work it out. 98 times 3, 27, 20, 29. Whoa. So here's the thing. Watch this. If I were to subtract, this is going to be a great mistake, and we're going to learn through it. I got to borrow. That becomes an 8. That becomes 2. Oops. 12 minus 4. Yep. 12 minus 4 is 8. And then I borrowed again. 18 minus 9 is 9. And look what happened, guys. Hear me out. This is a moment, and this sometimes for some people it's hard to grasp. When I was learning this was hard to grasp. My remainder here was 98. Now, if your remainder is equal to or greater than your divisor, that means your divisor can go at least one more. Okay, so we're going to back this up, and we're going to erase that 3, and we're going to go 4 times. Okay, so stay with me. So we're going to fix all this, erase all this. So 98 times 4, 2, 32, 36, 37, 38, 39. And look at that, 392. So it divided perfectly, meaning I don't have a remainder. I don't have to worry about fractions. And so what this means is that Russ's car 9.8 miles per gallon. Mike's car averages 39.2 miles per gallon. How many times more miles per gallon does Mike's car average than Russ's? So 9.8 Russ times 4 equals Mike's car. So the question is how many times more miles per gallon does Mike's car average? And it would be 4. 4 more miles per gallon. Okay. I know that was a lot. That was busy. So I'm going to stop here so we can go to number 5.